never show. I say, have you ever seen that rap crime? I'm going through some shit that I never show. Niggas say they ready to slide, I know them kinda lie.
Okay, but no way to namhlanje bese.
Nah, bro. Bro, dude, think I feel like that.
Who made your chains, bro?
Man, my chain. It's Ice Baby. Ice Baby. What you wanna know about? You know, I got them choppers too.
Bruh,
Choppers like.
I need some
hanging down my
TLR
neck.
gang chain, you know.
What's up?
I need some TLR gang chain, so I really need to know.
Yeah, we don't play around with this one. Chopper hanging down my neck like I'm an elite. I don't play no games with it.
So you chopper, bro.
I don't chop.
You chopper the Keherman Pokémon.
Nah, fuck that, bro. Fuck that. Yeah, they hear that sound. Hear that sound.
People can come with a chain tester, bro.
What? How much was that? Nah, that was $250.
Oh my god.
Dog, bro. Dog, bro.
Why don't you tell me like you can buy a car with just a single chain?
Nah, man. I don't play no games, bro. I only bands. I only bands on my neck. I forgot that. I never do. If you all about it smoke, then it's art, then it's dope. I can't never fan on that beat, I'm fan on my product. I'm not saying we ever seen a rap crime. I'm going through some shit that I never show. Niggas say they ready to slide, I know them kinda lie. How can you say you love me, B, but you never show? They say the dream don't pay bills. I gotta get my hustle. Kan ik slash guys?
But I feel like it's too dark. Can you position him? But it's too dark. Okay, go.
See, big old. I don't play around like I'm going with my bros. Going with my bro, nigga, and it's the shooter what? It's a red crowd. Going with a K9. Going with a TR.
You know how it goes. You know.
Nah, we don't play no games. We about to show them what we all about. Nigga, they about to
Go.
Yeah, okay. Calabra. Before we yo, your friends show them to me. Oh. We been chain baby, don't go better your ex. That nigga is a dead guy. That nigga is a no now. You let the other girl, then you different. That nigga got a girl, I got a girl, but we know the difference. Please don't you let me down. Please don't you let me down, cause I'm all about you. All about you. She loves me. 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 Yeah, if a nigga tryna reach out on my chains, I'ma let it blam, nigga. Bow, bow. I don't play no games, nigga. I'm about to go ball in this bitch. Oh yeah? Today, like, we been shooting like a RAB crowd.
So tell us the experience. How was like the music video shoot?
Actually, like today, what I learned about today is there like it's all about creativity anyway. It don't matter where you shoot it. But if you creative enough, like to do it, you can make that shit awesome.
Do you really believe like the music video will come out like the way like you planned it?
I swear to God, I've seen on the scenes that we showed, like obviously, I ain't be expecting no disappointment for sure.
So what challenges have you came across when you were shooting this music video?
Well, like no, really, I wouldn't say so. Like,
so everything like just went smoothly, just like
yeah,
that?
it was fast and quick like that.
Okay, can you please like tell us for this kind of a record, like what sounds were you trying to implement or trying to go for?
Well, like, I mean, if like you listen to my latest music or you listen to my latest releases, like you could tell like I'm being inspired by the melody like this. So it's all about the melodies. If you can listen to the song clearly, like when it be out.
So are there any local artists like you can associate yourself with?
Oh, for sure. There be some for sure.
Can you just mention it?
Obviously, everybody never like this. You need a lot of work with the nasty shit. And there's this one like we make it to the game, make it look better, man. I fuck with our man too. I fuck with him. I fuck with his sound too.
So what about the likes of Ricky Tyler? The list goes on. What about
my homie? I fuck with our nigga like Cash CPD. I fuck with that nigga too. I fuck with them niggas. I fuck with them niggas that you just mentioned. I do. I don't.
So like, do you believe that the project will last straight to the top?
It's all about the promotion. If the promotion is right, I believe so.
Will you consider like Baby Pokémon as your final chapter on the Baby Pokémon deluxe?